It found 47 leads, drafted the follow-up for every single one, and I didn't open my laptop once. All from one AI agent running on a schedule for 7 days straight. I set an AI agent loose on my own business for a full week using a tool called Cronloop to see if it could actually run recurring work without me touching it. No babysitting, no re-prompting every morning. But before I show you what it did with a full week of runway, let's get the roadmap straight. Here's what we're covering: what Cronloop actually is, how to turn this into a paid, set and forget service for local businesses, how to build your first scheduled agent in under 10 minutes, the memory feature that makes it get smarter every single run, and whether the free plan is actually enough to start. By the end, you'll have a real agent working on a real task, on autopilot. Let's start with what Cronloop actually is. Cronloop takes the Claude Code or Codex subscription you're probably already paying for and turns it into agents that run themselves, hourly, daily, or weekly, without you writing a line of code. You describe the job in plain Markdown, the same way you'd write a to-do list, and Cronloop handles the scheduling, the sandbox, and the tool access. Here's the number that matters: over 200 built-in connectors and a free tier that gives you 3 agents forever. Here's the part that changes the maths on charging for this. This is where it gets interesting if you do any kind of freelance or agency work. Small businesses already pay virtual assistants and freelancers to chase overdue invoices, research leads, and triage inboxes. Repetitive admin that eats hours every week. Build the agent once inside Cronloop, and instead of billing your hourly time, you bill it as a monthly retainer. Somewhere around £150 to £300 a month is realistic for one working agent. And because Cronloop's agents keep a written memory of what they've learned, the agent needs almost no maintenance after the first week. You're not re-explaining the job every Monday. Now let's actually build one. Steps, no fluff. Step 1. Write the job. You describe exactly what you want done in plain Markdown. No code, just clear instructions, the same way you'd brief a new hire. Step 2. Pick the engine. Choose the Claude Code or Codex subscription you already have, or bring your own OpenAI or Anthropic API key if you'd rather pay as you go. Step 3. Connect your tools. Cronloop can link Gmail, Notion, GitHub, Stripe, and more than 200 other connectors through MCP, so the agent can actually take action, not just talk about it. Step 4. Set the schedule, anywhere from every 5 minutes to once a week, and let it run. The one feature that makes this feel less like a script and more like an employee who remembers things: Markdown memory. Every time an agent runs, Cronloop has it write down what it learned in plain Markdown. What worked, what didn't, what changed since last time. That file gets read back in on the next run, so the same agent genuinely gets sharper the more times it fires, instead of starting from zero like a one-off script would. The maker himself runs around 25 of these personal agents day to day, including one that curates AI events automatically and another that handles SEO work, which tells you this isn't a demo, it's something built to actually run unattended. Before you go build this, here's what it costs. The free plan gives you 3 agents, 200 run minutes a month, and hourly scheduling. Genuinely enough to test a real workflow before you pay anything. Pro is $25 a month, or $20 a month billed annually, and unlocks unlimited agents, 5-minute scheduling, and unlimited run minutes. My verdict: worth it, especially if you're already paying for Claude Code or Codex and just letting that subscription sit idle overnight. I'm testing 5 more under-the-radar AI tools this month. Subscribe so you don't miss which ones actually work. If you handed an AI agent one recurring task to run forever, what would it be? Drop it below.